Castle Dark Episode 1 is being delayed until spring 2020 due to several unforeseen production obstacles. At the moment, the film is in no condition to be released in time for the previous deadline of February 1st, 2020, even if production was pushed to its limit. Although I cannot really apologize for this, as the sole creator, producer, and animator of this project, I do acknowledge the disappointment that comes with this delay. I want all those who were eagerly waiting for the February 1st deadline to know that Castle Dark Episode 1 will benefit from this delay and the production leeway that it provides. Why so long? For those of you who aren't aware, whether it be that you're unfamiliar with the animation process or you simply lack experience of creating animated films, animation takes a really long time. This is true with big animation studios, and it's definitely true with a solo animator like myself, so this movie's going to take even longer than it would take them to make. With that said, the spring 2020 deadline isn't just a large buffer zone that provides more time. It provides the tender care that Castle Dark Episode 1 needs in order to be a great film. How long will the film be? For production purposes, Castle Dark Episode 1 is going to be around 3 or so minutes long. Those of you who watched my 4,000 subscriber special, the Castle Dark Chapter 1 storyboard, will probably notice that Chapter 1 is actually 6 minutes long, double the time I previously stated. That's because Chapter 1 has been split into 2 separate episodes in order to ease the burden of production. What about the Your Piglet event? The Castle Dark Your Piglet event allows viewers and fans like you to design a character that will appear in the film. A design template along with rules, regulations, and details on how to participate were provided on my website along with the deadline to have all your designs submitted by January 1st. For those of you who missed the deadline or could not participate for any other reason, I have good news. The deadline for the Your Piglet event has been extended to March 1st, 2020. This will give plenty of time to those who wanted to participate in the event but were unable to submit their designs. Really? All the way in spring? It is possible that Castle Dark will be released sooner if it is finished sooner. The real reason for the deadline being pushed back is because I'm unsure of how long the final animation phase will take. Yes, it may take a very long time, but be reassured that when Castle Dark has all that it needs, it will be released. Whether that time be sooner or later, you will see it in its full glory. In the meantime though, get yourself one of these awesome shirts or hoodies at teespring.com/stores/pies treasury. You can get the design that you just saw me draw right now. Just pick your color and your size and you're good to go. That's all for now guys. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.